Last time, the Golden Knights got from the mission again, and I was also still struggling. I still am. But, in the end, the one going home for the Queen of the Challenge was Stripes. And today we lead to another episode of Undisclosed Plush Contest. Who will win? Who will fall? Will there be any arguments? Besides Luigi and Bentley, that was an obvious one. Well, Blueberry have any other targets besides someone like Jumpy, but he didn't go that challenge, so I think there's no more targets. Of course, until there is. Find out this time on Undisclosed Plush Contest. Dude, Luigi, you be quiet for once. I didn't say anything this time, Bendy. Should say Bendy's nuts in your mouth. Oh, really now? You want to play a decent nut joke to me, Luigi? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. Well, I'll show you. Ah, ah. That's right, Luigi. No one play the bend. No one play the decent nut joke but me. Especially not to me. Oh, ow. What was that for, Jacoby? Oh, no, I got thrown over here by Ava. Damn, that girl? She's pretty rude, if you ask me. Yeah, I know. The only time you've ever agreed on something is the fact that she's rude. I mean, I know. That's pretty shocking for us to agree on something. That must mean she's really rude. Yeah. So, yeah, you can head back now, Jacoby. You're gonna back. Oh, okay. Wee. What the heck is that? Jacoby, what had you on to me? I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It was just kind of suffocating me for a bit. But that's a I never dealt with before. So you're saying you've been suffocated? I mean, pretty close to it, if you ask me. Man, when I try to get my phone off the carpet or Jacoby? I don't think you should have said that out loud, don't you think? Be quiet, Bear. It's Blackberry, but whatever. I mean, you could do that, but honestly, you're gonna care less about who gets out. As long as it isn't me. Ah, I see one of those people, huh? I mean, yeah, simple. Or someone I really, really despise that I will not, that won't very much people thought I would care about. Ah, I see. No one here makes any sense. I just want to vote one if she votes someone else she hates. If there's no one she hates, then what's the point of being here? Gotta have some type of rival. And Jacoby, Luigi, Bendy, Cuphead, Superman are so annoying. And that bear, all he is British. Nothing to him. That's great. I'll be right back. Oh. What are you two doing? Or fighting, what's it look like? I'll actually stop. Why would I stop exactly? You would stop because otherwise one of the team members might either want to use you out. Which would be meaning you won't be getting the prize of whatever it was. Okay then. I guess I'll stop fighting Luigi. For now, just say for now, Luigi. Yeah. I. Ew. Whoa, yeah. Dog, I'm gonna show the next spell, but we need to stop shooting that gun around. Why would I do that, Target? Whoa, buddy, we don't need to go that far. We don't need to go that far. I mean, if you're trying to prohibit me from getting a gun, I think it should be my first target. Ugh, man, no. I'm not doing that, man. Alright, I'm not forcing on you, you know what I'm saying? Good, you better not be forcing on it. Any punk who gets in the way of me will be done for. DONEFOR. Done for. Oh, nice, look at these 6 shades. Ah. I could take these with me back. The real test makes sure no one will steal. What's up, guys? I'm back. Damn, bro, those are some 6 shades. Yeah, I know, that's why I picked them up. Where'd you get those? They're up there, but I think there's only one of them. Ah, okay, man. Well, nice chatting with you. Bye, see ya. Bye. Ah, feels good. Damn, bro, is there a blueberry doing the Luigi over there? Tap out, tap out. Ah, my arms are my other part of my body. I can't tap out. Find a way to tap out. Hey, man, it seems kind of vile. Boing, what you guys talking about over here? Oh, you know, just think about Luigi doing the Luigi over there. Yeah, man, that shit's pretty brutal, know what I mean? Yeah, pretty brutal, you know, not about that one, Christmas dog. Yeah, man, that's kind of vile and all that. Yeah, didn't you already say that? My bad, my bad. But yeah, dude, like, look how brutal that stuff is. I would not want to be Luigi in that situation. You don't know that one, man. Yeah, what about that one, brother? I like your brother, though. It's another to my face. Ah. Ow. I see. So, yeah, this seems great. So, I wonder what the fan favorite of the series is. You do get quite a fair point. But it have to be someone nice that's not annoying. I wonder if the fans are upset the fact that someone got out. I don't think they're upset, but England those people that got out. Once they really found a Pillow Pay, Curtis, Zombie, or Stripes. Yeah, I got a fair point. I don't think those people types of fans exist. It's almost like Max or drama fans. Yeah, even more importantly though, someone like Eva fans. Man, I know. That really sucks. Like, I can't imagine being those type of fans. Like, really though. Like, I know, it was so crazy. So on your week on this contest. What's fun up with you? Ah, I see. So, want to go on a date out tonight? Yo, what you talking about there, Vanessa? Oh, no, I'm assigned to my boyfriend. Who's that? The only person I know is a man. Oh, I see. Cool, I'll be ahead on my way out then. What? Yeah, that was saying. I'm pretty good in this contest. How's it going with you? I see. Ah, pretty good for me too. Yeah. Love you. See you later, babe. Ooh, you good over there, Luigi? No, not one bit. Alright, I'll let you free then. For now. I'm finally out. And my arm. Yeah, man, that must really hurt. What did you do to it? I did nothing. You just came over there and did it to me. Kinda didn't make any sense if you asked me. I mean, it makes somewhat kind of sense. I'm not gonna lie, that was frankly pretty enjoyable. Pretty hilarious, if you ask me. So, yeah, man, I'd recommend watching that. So, dun. Yeah, anyways, yeah, I'd recommend watching that, dude. That was hilarious. But what's this shield doing over here? What? There it is. They're getting away from me. I'll just be taking this. Out of the way. What? I just found this. Give me that. I don't even know what's inside of it. Can I at least open it? No. You want to be like Luigi? No, I think I'm good. You can have it then. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Sheet of paper. Let's see now. What's it saying inside of it, huh? You have found an immunity idol. Caution. One-time use only. Alright. I'll keep this just in case. This thing will become useful in the future. It will be nice to have. Now that I never know what's gonna hit him. Damn, Luigi, that's really impressive. I know, thanks, man. Ow! Why did you do that, man? I did, so deal with it, punk. Whoa, guys. Calm down here. Calm down. Think, man, I needed that one. No problem. Man, whatever. You guys are all lame anyways. You'll be seeing me out of this place. Team. Our football team to lose this next challenge. Yeah, I know, right? That'd be real bad if we did. Like, real bad. You think we know, Cuphead? I don't think we want to lose this next challenge. Dun. Attention, everyone. It's time for the next challenge. What's that? Today's next challenge is Truth or Dare. The first team that have all their members not completed loses the challenge. I give you guys some more time to talk before we get started. We can't afford to lose this next challenge. That would be really bad if we do. Yeah, man, we know. I mean, we could do the third challenge in a row. That's really suck. At least lose the third challenge in general. We've only lost like three of our members. It's the only time we haven't lost is the time that I just forgot to on a team. Well, whatever. We should be fine. So yeah, we can't lose the next challenge, as we only have 4 members compared to all the other teams. So no one quit. You got that, Tasha? Uh-huh. Maybe yeah, I got that. So yes, sir. You don't have to be that devoted, okay? Just don't quit. Oh, okay, Larry. Alright, guys, you got this one in the bag. You hear me? In the bag. Yeah, dog, like, we ain't no losers. We ain't gonna quit. Get that one right, Jamal. Yeah, we can do this. Yeah, we better not lose. Whoever made our style, then one of you gotta be my first target. Yeah, man. We know that one. I may be Blue's first target if we lose this, so we can't lose this. I gotta be as demoted as possible. Alright, guys, we gotta get that safe spot. That safe spot. You heard about that one, Cuphead. So I think we got this one bag. We really trying to use a lot from the other team. I mean, as long as they keep us confident enough, then sure. Yippee! I'm ready for the challenge! Let's be the first dare. The first dare is for the first team. Cuphead. Give up. How is this even gonna work? Do I give up or do I not give up? Either way, if I give up, I'll be losing the challenge. And if I don't give up, well, I'm still losing the challenge. I guess I have to give up. Luigi and Bendy, don't fight. Luigi and Bendy did their dares, meaning it's time for the next dare. And that one is Banana Split. Break up with your boyfriend.
What? No, I can't do that. I just can't. I forfeit.
Today's next dare. Jacoby. Eat your broccoli.
I did though.
Alright, Jacoby. You can sit over there again.
Yippee!
Today's next dare. Larry. You must shave your mohawk. Looks so nerving. It's so unsettling. But I did it. I shaved my mohawk. I mean, maybe you can head back over. Ugly, you must not eat your chili beans. I can't. Aw, well, damn it. That's another one. Those two are gonna be some pretty easy targets and events. Now, if anyone else gives up, you will be added to my hit list. Oh, okay then, okay, I won't give up. Me neither. Damn, dog, I'm good. Yeah, man, I don't think I'm doing that. I won't give up, don't worry. Today's next step. Super Bear, become a villain. I can't do that. I am Super Bear. I can't possibly become a super villain. I'm gonna have to give this one up. No, I decided the first team has 3 forfeits losers. So that's less worry, but there's more worry for the people over there on Blueberry's team. You know, the cursed cares. So yeah. If I were them, I want to have one more person quit. Same with the first team. So the Golden Ass have been doing pretty good in this episode, surprisingly. Now the next dare is Tasha. You for one, you must eat cat food.
I'll do it though. That was kind of disgusting, but I still did it.
Jumpy, you must squish a banana. I don't want to have to do it, but I will. Blackberry, dump your tea in the ocean. I'll do it though. I'm back. It was horrifying to say the least, but I still did it. Bendy, you, my friend. You must kiss Luigi. I'll do it. Think I have to go. Blueberry, you must be caught whacking. Go ahead, give me all your guns. I said all of them. Fine. All your guns. Alright, man. I don't have any more guns on me. Well, that's a lie. Here's the final one. There we go. I did the dare. Ava, you, my friend. You must get your head dipped into the slime bowl. Dun dun dun.
I guess I'll do it. That was petrifying.
Alright then. Well, go back to your place now.
I had to do it for the team. I did not want to get voted off. It was very, very horrifying. I have to say, for the least. So disgusting.
Luigi, you, my friend, must jump off the curtains. With no trampoline on the bottom. Got this, Luigi. Just gotta jump. Ah! Ow, that really hurt, man. I can't twist my damn ankle. Oh! Ugh. Ah! Ah! Gravel, you must listen to Drake. You used to call me on myself. Me, my love. You call me on my cell phone. I remember me, my love. I remember my hotline bling. I remember my hotline bling. Never again will I do that. Unless there's another dare. But I ain't doing that again. It was too petrifying, man. I'm telling you, it was way too petrifying. How was it? I'm on the bit of it bad. Yeah, horrifying. Pumpkin spice. You. You might have fed. Must eat a high calorie meal. But you cannot check your weight afterward. You got that?
What's on the scale? No, I cannot do that. I will check my weight afterward. How did he find out my insecurities? How? I never stated them in here. How did he find those out?
Nice one. We appreciate you took more of the team.
Hey, yeah, no problem. You're on that cuphead.
What? My dare was to give up. Either way, I would have lost. That dare was rigged by them. Whoever put that one in must have been a real smart play then. Larry, you for one must pretend you're Bowser. Rah! I am Bowser. I'm here to capture the princess. Of which I'm jealous of that Mario gets play and I don't. Rah! Ha! Hilarious, hilarious. Bravo, bravo. Anyways, today's next day. Christmas dog? You, my friend. You must celebrate Thanksgiving before Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving, even though it's the middle of August. But, that's a nice turkey dog. But that's time to roll out. Ava, you must be nice to Cuphead. You are safe for today. Thank God, man. I really didn't want to get out this early. My head grew back. Nice. Say, man, that was a pretty hilarious impression of Bowser. Yeah, man, I know. I know my technological father pretty well. Yeah. Let's go, Gordon Nath. We finally won a challenge again. Yeah, we put in our best effort forth, and we will keep on conquering this place. A toast to the Golden Gnats. Golden Gnats. What was that, Ava? My dad was literally to quit. Frankly, I did it, but I didn't. It was not fair.
Now clearly you sabotaged the challenge, Cuphead.
Why would I do that? I want that safe spot. Well, maybe we can settle this.
No.
Yeah. I'm definitely voting in favor. It is now time for elimination. Welcome to elimination. As you guys have lost a shot because of Cuphead would have got had more of a break there, but Super Bear and Ava all not being able to complete their days. Now, let's get to the first one safe. First one safe is Jacoby. The next one safe, Pumpkin, along with also Blackberry, giving you three Cuphead, Super Bear, and Ava. I'm proud to say the next one safe is Super Bear. Good luck, Cuphead. You got at the bottom too.
It's not just fact that I'm like getting like, it's obvious. Why would they vote me? That wouldn't make any sense.
There's no way they're gonna keep her over me. Like, I need that safe bot, and I'm gonna get that safe bot. And if they vote me out for a rigged dare, mind you, either I quit or I don't quit, but either way I quit, I will lose my marbles. The last one safe is Ava.
In your face, Cuphead! In your face!
What? They voted me? I'm going to lose my marbles. 5 down, 16 left to go. Find out who will leave next time on Undisclosed Plush Contest.